Real slow, and I'll get that
Okay.
one. You sit still. Sit down. Make a lap. Be good.
Okay, I've got the camera going. Who are you gonna hold first?
This one.
Oh, and what's the name of that one?
It's Gabby.
Yeah.
Is this
Oh,
Gabby?
Jackie.
Gabby, you're good.
Good.
Oh, is that Gabby?
Oh, look at his foot.
His little feet.
Yeah, he's got little toenails, doesn't he?
It's your baby.
Can you turn? Can Mama turn him so his face is showing, so I can see what his face looks like?
Yeah, let Mama turn there.
This is the little guy that Uncle Johnny would probably keep.
We're gonna keep Gabby
They're gonna keep Gabby.
because she's unique.
Yeah. Okay.
Cute.
Okay. This is Chubbs.
Can you turn around?
Now this is a little boy, right?
Yep. He was the firstborn.
Aw. Hi there, little guy.
Is he trying to crawl
Is he?
away?
Yeah. Is he scratching a little bit?
He's okay. It's okay, Gracie. Look at Mama's stuff. It's like
Yeah.
balloons.
Oh, poor.
She's not
Who's-
feeding Just a as much as minute, she should.
Not
Yeah.
probably
Ew,
comfortable.
you have to do it.
No. Let Dad,
Not
Grandpa
talking
do.
to him, or they're not eating as much.
She's
Good.
getting tired of feeding him all. Oh, here, Chubbs.
Grace, don't get
He
lazy.
doesn't watch. He'll crawl back to you.
Chubbs.
Okay, who's
Jackie
next?
Jr. Since he's easily accessible.
one?
Yep.
It's Jackie Jr.
Jackie Jr. Jackie Jr.
Here, Jackie Jr.
You know, anything you can do to help her.
Let me go with him.
Okay.
Okay, here comes Jackie Jr. Aw.
He's
This is another little boy. That's Jackie Jr.
real gentle with him.
Yeah.
Look at.
We did
This is one of the first things Grace
What,
did
honey?
after she got skinny again. She went underneath there.
Grace, get out of the way so we can see Sadie.
Grace,
Come here, Grace.
Grace is good
Come here.
mommy.
Good girl.
Good girl, Grace. Jack,
Good girl.
It's okay, honey. It's okay, Jack.
How are you, huh?
Gee, look at that little
Here's
face.
Jackie.
Hi there, Sadie. Hi, Sadie.
Yeah. Good. Okay, no face licks. No face.
Okay, now
It's
which
safer
one
to
do you...
take face licks from Jackie right now than Grace?
Now which one?
Well, Grace cleans up